JBLU stock analysis for next week and onward. So I'm breaking down in this video, 1 minute video, my exact play and everything. And having down 41,000 videos, more so like I documented it all. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. That's still how my chart's looking like. You might have thought, you know, it's all bullish and whatnot, but look at the higher time frame range. Like look at the weekly range, even daily. It's not the best. Yes, I took like 4 longs here, but now it's inside a supply zone and I'm ready to pull the trigger on the sell side as long as there's a double break. And I guess like that's just going to be the swing. And I mean, I would go with it, you know, like it's totally like not up to my emotions to kind of dictate whether I'm going to trade this or not. Because look, I've tested this for 41,000 videos. So I know what's making me money and what's not, and just looking to refine it. I know I'm going to be okay if I stick to the rules, right? Again, this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. But yeah, other than that, just do your own due diligence. Not really selling if there's no sort of double break confirmation. That's why I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.